This is lesson 155, number skills. This is a page that we have in our packet. Now, later you'll find at the very bottom of the back of it, there will be a test on the back of this page. But we're going to do this. Okay, it says write the number that comes before. Now, if you have your green counting chart, you can use that on this too. Let's look at this number. Remember, if the box is before, then you need to find out what the before number is. Okay, so we have 78. I need my pen for this. 78. What family is 78 in? It's in the 70 family. And it's not on the very end or the very beginning, so you know the number before is going to be in the 70 family. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to get some blue up here, and I'm going to write the 70 part in there. Okay, because it's going to stay in the 70 family. Now I want you to look at the second digit. The number that comes before 8, if you're counting backwards, you'd be going 10, 9, 8. What would it be, the before number? It would be 7, that's right. So 77, and then it's 78. Okay, so let's look at the next one. What family is this one in? If you said 30 family, it is. So 31. So we know it's kind of close to the beginning of the 30 family, but it's not the first number of the 30 family. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 30 in there because it's going to stay in the 30 family. So we got that one taken care of. Let's look at the second digit. It's a 1. If you had 1 and you take away 1, how many do you have? You wouldn't have any. Okay, so it's a 0. So 30 with a 0, and then 31. Okay, did that make any sense? I hope so. Now we're on the last one, and it's the 60. Now 60 is a daddy because it has a 0. So we know that before that is a different family. So we know it's got to be what comes before 6 or before 60. The family that comes before 60 is the 50 family. That's right. So we would have to put the 50 part in. Now we can think about what comes before 0. Well, nothing comes before 0. But if we were going to on the number columns, we would be at the very top of the 60 family. So we would have to go down to the bottom of the 50 family. And what is always on the bottom of the 50s are all the bottom numbers. They're the 9s, right? So it would be 59, because you can't go up above 60 anymore. You'd have to go to the bottom of the next column. So 59, 60. Okay, let's go to the next section. We have THR. Do you remember what THR is? Thir. And we have 2 vowels. So we can actually read this word. Can you read it? Write the number that is. Okay? And I'm going to go up here and get my eraser because it's hard to see after that. Okay, so get my pen. So did you get 3? If you did, you're right. The next one over here is O-N-E. O-N-E. Oni. Which one do we call that one? Whenever we say O-N-E, you know that that's a 1, right? You have to just look at it and go, O-N-E. Oni. Okay, that's a 1. Let's read this one, and we can read this number. T-E-N. What is that number? Write it in. Did you write this? If you did, you got it right. This one's another one that we can read. If we mark the vowels, it's a number word, but we can still read it. So F says F, I says I, and the V says F. Sound it out. I, V, 5. Now you know what that is. Some of you probably looked at that and goes, oh, that's 5. Okay, so we know how to read some of these words, but then we have some that are just, we call them sight words, remember? Remember, it doesn't look like the number that it is. What does it look like? It would say. It looks like it says EGIT, and we've talked about that before. So what, if it looks like it says EGIT, what number is it? Did you say 8? That's right, because EGIT, if it looks like EGIT, it's 8. Now let's read this one. What number did you get? S-E-N 7. That's what it is. I hope you're getting these before I do, because I like it whenever you race with me. I'm going to go ahead and let you do these on your own, because I know you can do these. We're going to go down here to the bottom part. And these are nickels. Nickels, remember? We count by 5s. So we're going to circle them and count them as we circle them until we get to how many cents? 35 cents. Counting by 5s. Here we go. Circle the 1 and go 5, 10. Are we there yet? Yeah. 15, 20, 25. Are we there yet? No. 30, 35. Are we there yet? Yes, we are. Let's count them again. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right. So do the ones here carefully. And I'm going to show you what the back of it is. If you want to stop the video and do these now, that would be okay. But I'm going to go on, and you can start up after you finish them, or you can just do them after you finish the back, because the back is a fun page. Now I'm going to go get my my coloring pen, because I love to color, and I'm going to make it kind of small so it's not going to be too big. Okay, so now we have color the shapes using the color key to make a design. This is a square, isn't it? So this shape and this shape is the same. So I'm going to color this one blue. I'm going to try to be careful. It's kind of hard to color with this, but hey, I did it. So that was a blue one. Can you see another one that's the same shape? It's kind of a funny looking square. I think it may be my paper's a little bit scrunchy. Right here it looks like another square. And do you see another one? Those aren't quite. And these are really long, so those aren't that one. This shape right here. Okay, so we're going to color that in. Stay in the lines. Did you know that whenever you're coloring, it helps your writing? If you color neatly, it does. It helps your fingers build those big, strong muscles. They're little muscles, but they can be strong too. Okay, and then pretty soon you can be very artistic about your work. Okay, let's go up here and find what color should we do next, or what shape. I like purple, so I'm going to go to the purple one. And let's see, purple. I'm going to grab purple. I have to find one of these. It looks like a laid over diamond. Let's see. I see one right there. I think that's called a trapezoid, but I'm not positive. Okay, and make it, oops, my pen is making dark spots. Okay, so there's one. Can you see another one? I see one here. Okay, back up here, down again. It's very hard to do this with this pen. Okay, trying not to make it all black, dark color. There we go. So I'm going to grab a different one. I think I'm going to start making rectangle ones. So I need to get the red one, get my red color, and I'm going to start coloring this one. And I'm going to probably run out of time before I can finish all of these. So I'm just going to color at least one of each color. So I wanted you to just see how it's done. Nice and neat. Take your time and have fun. I know some of you really like to color. I'm going to do a yellow one. So let me get yellow. Let's see, is that a yellow? It is yellow. It's not as bright colored yellow as I like. But triangles. Let's see, I need a triangle. There's a triangle right there. So I'm going to color that one a yellow color. There we go. And now, because I'm getting too close to the time, I'm going to go up here and get one of these. And I'm going to get green. Let's see. I see one right here. There we go. So this is a fun page to do. Just take your time and have fun with it. Be nice to have your paints and paint this, but I think it would probably make a mess on the other side. But that would be okay if you did the other side already. But you would want to do it if it's if you haven't done the other side, because then you could make a hole in the paper. Okay, well I'm going to stop there. You go ahead and do the rest of this. And if you want to do it with paints, I send your paints with you. So you can do that too. Just make sure you get the other side done first so it doesn't rip your paper. Okay? So I will clear that and go back to the beginning page, and I will say bye-bye. Have fun with this page.